Okay, Bonita, please tell me about your demo.
Okay, so I'm demoing today something called iTrace, and iTrace is a solution, it's an infrastructure to record iData from plugins like Eclipse and do it seamlessly without supporting scrolling as well as context switching of files. So we have basically a server client architecture where we run the engine, and then plugins connect to the server, and then the server sends data to the clients, and then the clients process that information and records the line and column in that specific plugin. For example, if it's Eclipse, it will record the line and column of the source code that you're viewing. And then later on, we collect all of this data. We have two files from the plugin and the core, and then we actually combine them we join them via event time, and then we do a ton of post-processing. We use SourceML on our source code to actually get the syntactic element somebody is looking at when based on the line and column information. And based on that, we can actually query the data. For example, you can ask questions like, did a developer follow method calls, or did they follow a call graph, or did they chase a data variable? Did they use the def use chains? Did they follow control flow? Did they look at method calls, for instance, or did they look at parameters in the method calls? Things like that.
So you talk about this being used in Eclipse, but are there other IDEs that you can integrate?
Yes, so right now we have support for Eclipse and Visual Studio, as well as for Chrome.
Wow, nice. And so how accurate is it? Like, do you actually detect the eye movements on the lines of each line of code, or?
Yes, so it's pretty fine-grained to the syntactic token. So for example, if you looked at the word class in a Java file, it will actually tell you looked at class and tell you that that is basically a keyword. Or if you looked at a data type, int, it will tell you you looked at int and it's a data type.
So it also recognizes the structure of the line, basically. You say class, int,
yes.
so on, so on.
And we get all of that information from SourceML.
Wow, nice.
Yes.
Cool. Thank you very much.